Hi students, hello. Welcome to Bridge course level 3 for 6th, 7th and 8th. Conducting by Samagra Shiksha Siddipet. This is mathematics subject. Myself V Ajay Kumar Reddy, SA Mathematics, ZPHS Kukunurpalli, Mandal Kondapak. Today's our topic is data handling. Let us discuss all these five. The data in the sweet shop and the data questions, tables or graphs, and reading the pictograms and making the pictograms. Let us come to one by one. Here one data is given of the sweet shop. The sweet shop contains different items like toffee, Snickers, Mars, Twix, Bounty and Kit Kat. All these are selling the number of items on Monday and Tuesday and like this in every week. This is the total of that items, and this the below one total of the on particular day. Now answer each and every question to read the data. Here how many Mars sold on Wednesday? Mars here are here and Wednesday is here. So the answer is 20. So Mars sold on Wednesday is 20. Now one more question. How many sweets sold on Monday? Try to catch sweets and Monday. So total sweets on Monday sold, the number is 73. So how many sweets? 73. How many toffee crisps sold on Saturday and Sunday? Where is the item here? First one. Saturday there are 12 years given. On Sunday how many are given? 7. Total how many? 12 plus 7. What is the answer? Yeah, it is 19. Let us come to another question. How many more stickers sold on Wednesday than on Monday? So try to catch the stickers here. Yeah, here it is. And Wednesday, here it is. And Monday, here it is. So what we have to do here? Should we add these two or subtract? Let us see. On Wednesday, stickers sold here 14. On Monday, 12. How many more here? Yeah, we should subtract 14 minus 12. We get 2. In this way, let us answer based on the question. Next question is, how many more sweets sold on Tuesday than Monday? Sweets. Total sweets. On Tuesday 76, on Monday 73. Hence more sweets on Tuesday than Monday is 76 minus 73, 3. Like that another question. How many more Bounty sold in 1 week than Snickers? Bounty total sold here 87. Snickers total sold here 84. Then the difference is how much? Yeah, 3. Now what is the most popular sweet? Among all these, which one sold more here? See the last column. Which is the more? Yeah, 119. What is the name of the sweet? Yes, it is Mars. Hence, the Mars is the most popular sweet here. Now, when do we most people buy sweets here? Means on Monday or Wednesday or Thursday, like that. See the last row here. Now highest one is 97 in this row. Hence Saturday people buy more sweets. Let us come to what questions we discussed now. How many? How many more than? What is the most popular? What is the least common? Like this. These questions we can ask from the data. Let us come to the questions. What is the most popular sweet bought on Monday? That is Mars. How many? 15. Like that, this information is in the table and we need only the data for this question. So we can we show this information better on a graph? Let us come to graph. See the graph. Sweets sold on Monday. Let us draw a graph about this topic. Let us see sweets. Find the data. Yeah, this is the data. Sweets. All these sweets. We have to take all these sweets. On Monday, we have to take all these second column. So we should take first column and second column to draw this particular graph. Sweets on Monday. What are the sweets and what are the numbers? Let us show in the graph. Okay, now let us make a graph, that is bar graph. We can say this one as histogram also. Now we can answer question based on this graph. What is the most popular sweet bought on Mondays? That is Mars. We can easily say the answer. Easy to answer this question from a graph. There is only one set of data on this graph. Now look at this graph. It has two values. What is the most popular sweet bought at the weekend? Easily we can tell by comparing two weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Otherwise, we can change the graph also. There are two sets of data on this graph. It is easy to answer this question. Let us change this graph, try a different graph. See now, we have given two things, Sunday with violet color, Saturday with blue color. Now what is the most popular sweet? Yeah, which is one more highest 35, that is Mars. Now we rounded here. So the most popular sweet bought at the weekend, Mars. In this way, we can answer the questions for anything by showing in the graph. Now these are pictograms. Here cars are drawn here and each picture is 10 people here, and buses, total 5 buses are there, and half the picture indicates half of the 10 here, and walk 6 people are appearing on the screen and half here, and bicycle 3 here and half here. Now let us discuss the data questions. How many children walk to school? Let us count. How walk? How many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each picture carries 10 people and half. Half indicates 5 people. Now count how many tens are here. Total 6. How many half? 5 here. Then what will be the answer? Tell me, students. Yeah. There are 6 into 10 plus 5. That is 65. In this way, shall we answer another question? Yeah. How many children come to school by car? Count the number of cars, multiply into 10 and plus half of 10. Let us see. Total 4 into 10 plus 5. Answer is 45. Now tell me another answer. How many children come to school by bike? Count the full bikes and count half bike. Full bikes into 10 plus half. Now write the answer. Yeah, see the answer. That is 35. This is reading the pictograms. Another question. Which is the most popular way to come to school? Now we have to write all the numbers here. Beside the car, 45. Beside the bus, 55. Is it right? Check with your friends, discuss with your teacher. How many come to school by walk? 65. How many come to school by bicycle? 35. Now, which is the most popular way? Among all, which is the largest one? 65. Yes, the most popular way to come to school is by walking. Now, let us discuss these questions. Children, try to write your own question on this. See the questions. How many children like prawn. How many more children like bacon than prawn? What is the least popular? Which is the most popular? In this way, you try to ask more questions. And let us make some pictograms with the help of data. Up to now, we read the pictures. Let us draw the pictures. Now, red 50, black 35, these are the data of color of cars. Let us draw some pictures based on this data. Look at the numbers, choose the best unit. Okay. Here one picture we can take 5 cars or 2 cars or 10 cars. Now I am taking 10 cars. Now how many red color cars are here? 50. Each figure how many? 10 cars. Then how many red color cars we have to draw here? We need to divide this 50 by 10. How much? 5. Now we should draw 5 red color circles, or you can draw cars or any picture. So 5 pictures indicate 5 into 10, 50 cars. Black how many are given here? 35. Then how many black pictures we have to draw? Let us divide by 10. 35 by 10 is 3.5 or 3.5. Let us draw black 3.5. How many green are here? Now you draw 15. 1.5. 20. 1.5 green. Silver 20. 2. Blue 45. 4.5. And yellow 10. 1. Among all these, which is the least, which is the highest? Easily we can answer. This is the way we need to read the graphs, draw the graphs, read the pictures, draw the pictures. Okay, students? Understood well? Then practice yourself. Thank you for watching.